everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am RJ.
I'm Adela.
And welcome to Alguno Diaries. This is part 2 of our home gardening series.
That's right. We'll give you an update of our plants in our small indoor home garden. Yay! Arugula!
Come back up.
Slowly lang. Arugula, our dill. Oh, nanay dill.
Oh my god! The plants, there are stalks, there are small things that have red seeds. The red seeds. That's where they came out. Look. There's red. There's red here. See that? There, the red that's fallen down.
Yep.
That's the seed.
It's like their shell. Is it?
Yeah, it is. And it's connected to them. This. Another one.
It's dill. Our lettuce is out. Oh,
They look all the same, right?
Yeah, when they're babies. Diba babies, somehow they look the same. They all look the same. This is our... Slowly lang, baby. Okra? Is that you? Really?
Whoa.
Ooh. I hope it is. Wow. Slowly, baby. We don't want to hurt the okra. Please grow, okra. Whee! If that's okra, I'd be so happy. Are you happy, babe?
There was this one.
See, that's our cooking. And then our petchay, baby. You grow petchay.
Yay.
Okra, back to you, okra, because we're happy you're growing.
Just staying there.
Growing, our little babies are growing.
And we can't ask Mama. This doesn't look like this, or this, or this,
Ooh,
or this, or this. So it means, I think that's actually okra, Ma.
Dagan kay rukula, oh.
Ma, if we grow actual okra, yay.
Yay! Because you said, okra, please grow, please.
Oh yeah, remember like the okra has leaves, seed. And there's like the okra's hatched. Like you see the seed, it's like broken. That's so good, right?
Our lemon tree, very pretty. And lemon.
It's so small.
Oh.
It's small for a plant, right?
So this is the kamongai seeds. Let's try planting them, hopefully. We'll grow some kamongai. These were the kamongai seeds that my mom wrapped up for me before I left the Philippines. So thank you, Ma. I hope that you're doing well back there in Cebu. I'll keep you posted if this guy actually would grow. So thanks for the kamongai seeds that you gave me. So the pepper seeds are dry, so we can already plant these. We have very small containers. That's all we have, so we'll just have to make do of what we have here. Alright, so good morning, plants. So let's see how you guys are growing today. So far, no parsley yet. Usually they take longer, about 2 weeks until they grow. We can see basil is starting to come out. Usually takes a week or so. But this arugula, wow, look at that. It's the fastest growing seed we have here so far. The dill, slowly coming out. We have a couple of them. The lettuce guy is also doing quite well. And our Japanese cabbage is also doing great. Okra, I don't know, for some reason this guy just fell. I don't know, we were sad when we saw it this morning. We were happy seeing it yesterday when something starts finally coming out, but we don't know if it was a weed or something, but hopefully another would pop out. And our green onions are also coming out. Some of them are not growing really well, but hopefully the others would. And also our pechay is also growing. Alright, so far that's the update.
For today. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
This is part 2 of our home gardening series.
That's right. And we'll give you an update of our plants in our home indoor small indoor home garden. Small indoor home garden. Okay, ready? Buting ko make energy.
You're so annoying.
Sorry then. Okay. Buting ko. Ready, go.
I don't even know.
This is part 2.
Okay. This is part 2 of our indoor home.
Of our home gardening series.
Okay.
3, 2, and. Okay.
Bill,
Ang plan, patagap. Sige na.